Out of all my years, I've test drove, don't tell you how many thousands of Jeeps, and the steering wheels, they're not always straight, and it's so easy. I'm gonna show you how to do it, to straighten it up. First off, I'm gonna drive down the road and show you where this is sitting. Can't have that. So you've got to know where the steering wheel is at going down the road. And if you don't really have a way to drive it, this sometimes works, but it's not as exact. Just be on a flat spot, and literally if you just kind of just keep feeling it around, reverse and then drive, they usually want to settle where they're at. I think that's to do with the whole caster, the knuckle, the self-center back together. But let's go down the road. My road's not exactly perfect, but just kind of figure out where it wants to go straight, and then just look at your steering wheel, take you a mental image of where it's at. Then when you park it, put it in the same spot. Now when you pull it in the shop, just kind of try to find the right spot that it was sitting in. Turn it off, but do not go to the lock position. Believe it or not, these are the only tools you should need unless something's wrong. 15mm ratchet wrench, or regular wrench, or socket, ratchet, and maybe a pair of these. Maybe, I can't speak for the rust belt people, this may not work out very easy. But as long as it's rust free, it's usually very, very easy. Alright, we're going to go under the vehicle, locate the pitman arm. You can see mine is not rusty. And then that collar right there, that's the one we're working with. So now we need to loosen these clamps on it. Shouldn't have to go very much. And for some reason, this one, usually you can twist it by hand. So let me think, it's turned left, so we need to shorten it. And rule of thumb, the pitman arm usually needs to be parallel with like the frame rails. So this should be about a round is all we're gonna need on it. Do that, and now we'll go look at it. Very close, about a half turn. So now I'm gonna go about a half more turn. Like that. See where we're at. That is pretty dadgum close. I'm gonna give it one more bump. About another quarter turn, and this Jeep doesn't look like nothing's gonna get in the way of hitting. If it does, no big deal on this particular Jeep. Tighten them back up. And that's it. That's pretty easy. Let's go see if it worked out. May should have not have did that last bump. And there you go. Sitting about straight, a little too far, but you can go back if you want to. But it's a whole lot better than it was. Hope this helps somebody get their steering wheel straightened out. It's easy enough.